this is part 2 for Tea Time with Jesus. So we're going to do a craft, which is a rose that my mom made made out of napkins.
Okay. So we're going to move our teacups aside.
Move our teacups aside so we don't make them fall.
You want me to make one? How about I just help you make one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
so first, what are we doing? We've got a regular piece of paper towel.
Paper towel.
And then what are we going to do? Because we don't have regular napkins. It's made out of how many pieces?
2.
So what are we going to do to it?
There's 2, so we have to pull it out.
Apart?
Apart.
Okay. So what we do to pull it apart is, we have to find the edge, right, in which it's going to separate. So we see that there's a separation. Yep. And I'm going to let you do it, but let me show the camera, okay? A clear separation, just like that. And then we're going to slowly, without ripping the whole napkin, pull it apart.
Takes like a second.
That doesn't take too long. Okay. Now what are we going to do?
Now we have to
lay it on the table.
Put it on the table.
Okay. And then we make sure that
it
stays on the same direction, which it's not. So we're going to do it like that. Okay. Make sure that all of the lines line up on the edges.
It doesn't have to be
Make
perfect.
it flat. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to fold about 2 inches, which is about right there. Fold that top section.
Now.
And then we're going to crease it. Okay. So from here, we're going to turn it to this side so that we can start with the rose. So, do you remember? Okay, so next step, you want to roll the whole thing in a circular motion, right?
Mm-hmm.
So just like making an egg roll or rolling any type of paper, we're just carefully rolling it, making sure that it still lines up. And you don't have to make it too tight, just so that we can have some space between, like that one is. Okay? Here, Emery, you finish the roll. Yep. Perfect. So, now that we have it, what we're going to do is we're going to pinch it right underneath where that 2-inch line was. Right underneath like that.
I have to do it.
And now you're going to twist it very carefully, very tightly. Okay? When you get to about halfway down between this stem. Okay? Now what are we going to do, Emery?
Now.
You're going to lift off one piece.
One piece.
Okay? What does this piece make?
The leaf. Just like this one. So that one should be the leaf, just like this.
Okay, so we've got it here like that. Now we're going to continue twisting in the same direction. Right, Emery?
Yep, just for the leaf.
Make the leaf a little bit bigger from here.
Did it.
Hold it right underneath that leaf. Continue twisting, twisting, twisting. Takes a little bit of strength, right, Emery? That's why you're letting Mommy do it?
And it just wants to be just like this one. But the top doesn't have to be like this. And it doesn't have to be really perfect. It's just a craft.
Okay. So that's what it looks like. What I'm going to do to just give it a little more flare, I'm going to fold that in.
Guys, and you guys could color it if you want to, so it could actually look like yours.
Open it up a little bit and scrunch it down.
So
Just
it's
so-
really good with this.
So it just gives it a little more dimension. And there's the completed rose.
Wait, can see?
Mm-hmm.
It's not that perfect, but I still like it.
Okay.
It says like bells.
Yeah, you can find a glass container and then put that in. So we've got our 2 roses here. And that is all we have for today's craft with
Tea time with Jesus.
Cheers.